Hey there, Pythoners here. Have you ever tried to keep a secret but someone just wouldn't stop trying? Well, meet encapsulation. Python ways of saying mind your own business. In today's video, we are diving into the OOP encapsulation. It's the magic trick that keeps your code organized, secure, as private as your search history at 3 a.m. Don't worry, your secret safe with me. Okay, imagine this: you have got a fridge full of snacks. Encapsulation is like for locking the fridge door and only giving out snacks when someone says pretty please or in Python when they use the right method. Stick around and I will show you how to log your code tighter than a bank wallet, but with Python style humor, of course. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's object-oriented programming, I am telling you about the encapsulation in Python. So let's talk about it without wasting any time, and let's know about in the OOP in the object-oriented programming what are encapsulation in Python. So let's start. Encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming, and OOP is stand for object-oriented programming. I've already told you that in our first video of the OOP. It refers to the bundling of data, attributes, and methods and functions that operate on the data into a single unit, usually a class. Okay. Encapsulation also restricts direct access to some of the object's components, which is a way of achieving data hiding. In Python, encapsulation is achieved using first public members. Public member is accessible from anywhere. Number two, protected members. The protected member is prefix and with a single underscore like this. This is called the single underscore. Let me show you. This. Okay, this is called a single underscore. Now, number three, private member. It's prefix with a double underscore. This is called a double underscore. Okay, like this. Now, let's come on it here and let's talk about many things. So, let's come on it here. Okay, now there's one example it is saying me. First of all, here we create a one class by the name of car. Here we use the def keyword and all the things. This is all the code we define. First of all, in this line we define a public attribute because in this line we only use the dot, and then in the second line I use the protected attribute because here I use the single underscore, and then in the third line we use the private attribute because here we use the double underscore. Here you can see it. So let's run this code and let's see which type of output it will give me. And first of all, I show you all the codes, and no, first of all I write all the codes for you because many people are very troubling to write a code. So first of all, I create a file. To create a file, first of all I click on the file and then new file and index.py, and then I am making this file in my documents and create file, and yes. Now this type of one code I have written down here, you can see it. For you, let me write this code. Okay, only for you I am writing this code. Okay, so let me write this code right beside it. So now, first of all we define a one class by the name of car. Then we use the def keyword. Then here we use the init. And then here we use the self, comma, the make, comma, model, comma, year. Okay, and then self dot make equals to make this. Here we define a public attribute because here we only use the dot. Then self dot underscore make model. This is called the protected attribute. Why this is called the protected attribute? Because here we use the single underscore. Self dot underscore. Why this is called the private attribute? Because here we use the two underscore. Okay. Now, when we do this all the things, we only want to do it. Press enter. Write here def display, then underscore info, then self, then print, we print our f, then in the double comma star, and then in the curly bracket self dot make. Then here we write a single comma, then self dot model, then one more time self dot underscore underscore year. Perfect. Now when we do this all the things, we only press the enter. Now we press enter from here. Def get underscore year self, then return self dot underscore underscore year, def set year, then self comma year. If year then greater than 1885, this is the first car made in 1885. Okay, here we give it. Then here we write here self dot year equals to year, enter. Else, in the semicolon there is no any space, then print. In it, in the double commas, we write invalid year, then the year must be greater than 1885. Perfect. Now here you create an instance, and many code I have written, then the few code are left. Here you can see it. You will be writing this code. Only this line of code has been left. So you pause my video and write that all the code. Okay, I'm not writing it because it is many codes. Okay, and now let me open my file. Till here I write the code. Now when I write all the code, first of all, here the first car was made in 1886, and then here we create in the 20 line, here we create one instance of the car class like Toyota Corolla 2020. Then in the 23 line we access our public attribute. In the 26 line we access protected attribute. In the 29 line here we access a private attribute using getter. Then in the 32 and 33 line we modify our private attribute using the setter. Here I am in the 35 and 36 line. Here I am attempting to directly access the private attribute, will raise an error, print my underscore car dot underscore underscore year. It is uncommenting this line will cause an attribute error. When you uncomment this line, it will be cause you the attribute error. Okay, so do not uncomment it. So save it and let's see the output. So the output will be coming make Toyota model Corolla year 2020 update year 2022. Why did we make Corolla? Because in the make I write where I write it down it here in the car I write like make Toyota and the model Corolla, and the year I write like 2020, and the when the year has been updated should be 2022. I said the updated year should be 2022. So if I set 2024, so here you can see it like 2024 is coming now. So like this. So let's come on our Word file. So here output will become like this. Explanation: public make, it can be accessed and modified directly. Number 2, protected means underscore model, it conventionally meant for internal use but is still accessible. Number 3, private underscore underscore year, it is only accessible via getter and setter methods. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, I show you what are OOP encapsulation in Python. If you enjoy this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future latest videos about this type of the Python. But anyways, that's how you encapsulate your code, keeping it neat, clean and unhackable, just like this box. Your data stays safe. If you found this video helpful or at least slightly funny, hit that like button and subscribe for more coding lessons with a twist. Until next time, stay secure and stay encapsulated, and don't forget to debug responsibly. So I'm Engineer Class, and next very amazing class to part today. Goodbye.